Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Dr. Kaharudin SIPM Home, a lecturer of Phonetic and Phonology. Before I explain about my answer about the question segment 11, I will introduce myself. So, my name is Siti Fatimah Zahra S. I am from PBIA and my ID number 2040012400019. Okay, I will explain about my answer number 1. So, what I know about suprasegmental is one of the sounds language that affect word units, words or sentences. In critical theory to suprasegmental features include stress, intonation, and juncture. For example, when red is underlined or has stress like this, record, then its colours are verb, but when the word chord is underlined or has stress, then its colours are verb. While intonation is the high and low voice. For example, how are you? And juncture is the inverse of words when we say a word like it's, then it has a different meaning. Again, so it depends on how we pronounce a sentence correctly. The next, my answer number 2. Yes, word stress is one of the things we as Indonesian language learners have to deal with because of the differences between Indonesian and English, where Indonesian itself uses syllables or syllable time, while English itself uses in the language stress type. That is why English is very difficult for us as Indonesian language learners. Next, my answer number 3. No, because the word unit with the word stress is different, so they are not the same. The word unit itself focuses on one or more words, while the word stress itself focuses on the emphasis of the word on a syllable. For example, students has 2 syllables and has stress on student. Well, the word someone also has 2 syllables as say in the word someone. That is the difference between syllables and word stress. And the next, my answer is number 4. As far as I know, there are 2 types of syllables. The first is primary stress, which is strong stress, and secondary stress, which is with stress or long stress. For example, in the word information or information. For example, also in the word conversation or conversation. While the syllables that I know, there are also 2, namely monosyllabic syllables that focus on one syllable and polysyllabic syllable that focus on more than one word. For example, in the word cat, monosyllabic, and the word banana, polysyllabic. That's what I know about the types of word friends and subs in English. And the next my answer is number 5. A content word is a word that carries actual lexical meaning and is usually stressed in a sentence because it conveys demand information. On the other hand, a function word is used to support the grammatical structure of a sentence, and it's a generally not stressed during pronunciation. In my opinion, those two types of words are not used together in terms of stress because they each serves different role in a sentence. Content word deliver the main message, while function words support the sentence structure. For example, the sentence she is going to the market. Function words she is to and the usual not stresses as and content words go and market usually stress does the structure in the sentence fall on the content word going market, not on the function words? The next my answer is number 6. Yes, it is important because word stresses affect a word. When there is a mistake in word stress, it's damaging the meaning or understanding of the word. For example, in the word prison, the stress can be called unknown, but if the stress is like this person, the is called unknown. That is why word stress is important in English because it affects the meaning of our words. And the last my answer, I agree with the speaker Kwan Kuya said because it can help us as Indonesian language learners to know where the stress is. For example, happy. The stress is on the first syllables or in the word relax where the stress is not syllables. Maybe that's all for me about the assignment 11, and that's all me for my answer. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.